God never changed the Sabbath, so who gave you Sunday? If God didn't change the day of worship, who did? Millions of Christians attend church on Sunday believing they are honoring God. They believe Sunday is the Lord's day. They believe it replaced the Sabbath. But here's the stunning truth. God never changed the Sabbath. So we must ask the uncomfortable question. If God didn't do it, who gave you Sunday? The answer might shock you because it didn't come from the Bible, Jesus, or the apostles. Let's uncover the biblical facts and historical truth that every believer and skeptic must confront. Step 1. God blessed and sanctified the seventh day. The Sabbath didn't begin with Moses or Israel. It began at creation. Genesis 2:2-3. And God blessed the seventh day and sanctified it. This was before sin, before the Ten Commandments, before any Jews existed. Exodus chapter 20, 8-11. Remember the Sabbath day to keep it holy. The seventh day is the Sabbath of the Lord thy God. God wrote this command with his own finger on stone, unchanged and eternal. There is no verse where he said, "Now keep the first day instead." Step 2. Jesus kept the Sabbath and never taught Sunday worship. Jesus is our example in all things. Luke 4:16. As his custom was, he went into the synagogue on the Sabbath day. Matthew chapter 5:17. Think not that I am come to destroy the law, but to fulfill. Jesus never hinted that the Sabbath would change. He called himself Lord of the Sabbath, not Sunday. Mark chapter 2:28. He even said the Sabbath would still be relevant long after his resurrection. Matthew 24:20. Pray that your flight be not on the Sabbath day. Step 3. The apostles continued keeping the Sabbath. After the resurrection, the apostles never mentioned a new day of worship. Acts 13:42-44. Paul preaches on the Sabbath to both Jews and Gentiles. Acts 17:2. It was Paul's custom to reason in the synagogue every Sabbath. Acts 18:4. He persuaded Jews and Greeks every Sabbath. The book of Acts never shows them holding Sunday worship services or claiming Sunday had become holy. So, again, who gave you Sunday? Step 4. Sunday worship came from Rome, not the Bible. The shift to Sunday worship didn't happen through divine instruction. It came through political compromise and religious tradition centuries later. Constantine's Sunday Law, 321 AD. On the venerable day of the sun, let all magistrates and people rest. This law honored the sun god, not Jesus Christ. Council of Laodicea, 364 AD. Christians must not Judaize by resting on the Sabbath. Sunday was enforced. Sabbath was condemned. This wasn't God's command, it was man's rebellion. Catholic Church admission. Sunday is our mark of authority. The Church is above the Bible. Catholic Record, 1923. They claim credit for changing the Sabbath. And they're right, because God never did. Step 5. Challenge to Sunday worshippers and skeptics. If you believe Sunday is God's holy day, then prove it. Show one verse where God changed the Sabbath. Show one verse where Jesus made Sunday the Lord's day. Show one verse where the apostles taught Sunday worship. You won't find it, because God never gave you Sunday. Man did. Tradition did. Rome did. The real question is, will you follow God's command or cling to human tradition?